Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the February card kit. The card kit comes out every other month and it includes cardstock, card bases, envelopes, pattern paper, embellishments, everything you need to sit down and create cards for your friends and family. So this month we're featuring Echo Park, a birthday wish. So you're always going to need birthday cards, and this is just a fun collection. So we're going to dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive this month. So you'll receive 6 envelopes and 6 white card bases. So these are already pre-scored, ready to decorate and have a lot of fun. You're also going to receive 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 white cardstock. And then this month you're getting some 12 by 12 cardstock. So we have a sheet of crimson and a sheet of Moody Blue. So that's this dark navy blue that's just gorgeous. So this gives you cardstock that you could create more cards with. The white cardstock's really heavy. You could cut those in half and get 2 more card bases. You can cut them to decorate and put a base on the front of your cards. Lots of options there. So that's your cardstock. Your pattern paper is the 6x6 paper pad from this Birthday Wish collection. So this is a lot of fun. You're going to receive half a pack of the 6x6, and this collection has cut aparts and then larger patterns on the front. It is double-sided, and then a B side that's a small print. So we have the trains with all of the little birthday animals. The back is a green star print, tone on tone. We have this cut apart. These strips here are perfect to go across your landscape cards on the bottom. You can cut those for embellishments on the front. The back of that is sprinkles in all different colors. We have 3x3 square cut aparts. The back is a great striped. Then we have 2x2 squares. Then all of the confetti. I have some 3x4 and 2x2s with stars on the back. We have birthday hats and crowns, a red plaid. Again, all those cute little animals with birthday cakes and hats, presents. The back is a blue cross sign, tone on tone. Then we have birthday candles, a green with a polka dot, birthday cakes, and that kind of aqua blue green with white polka dots. Birthday presents. The back has a yellow, just geometric design. Birthday balloons, orange stars, rows of birthday candles, and then a red confetti on the back. So lots of options there. For your embellishments, you're going to get a ton of embellishments. So we're going to start with the 12x12 sticker sheet. If I can pick it up and move it over here. So we have a thin green border, the birthday train border. You're going to see those little animals, banners that are awesome for birthday cards. Lots of little words and things that can use. Also a little die cut here of the train. So I just love the embellishments on this. You're also going to receive half a pack of the enamel dots. So these coordinate with that collection. You're going to get a roll of Hemteak Baker's Twine. So the colors will vary in the embellishment kit, but mine is the blue with a dark charcoal gray. Love that kind of twine. And then you're going to get a third a pack of the frames and tags die cuts. So these will vary among your kits as well. Let me pull this back over here and I'll show you the ones that I got. I got a little frame here that could be taken apart or used together. Just lots of birthday sayings and more of those cute icons. Little bitty circle with a little animal. So that is your February card kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits in the Scrap Room and visit us over on the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook group. We have lots of challenges and fun, and share what you're creating. We always love to see what you create. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.